Today I am reviewing this super cute glass honey jar. If you like to add some honey to your tea or to make some toast or whatever, this is awesome. Even for your kids' Eggos or whatever. Let's check it out. It has this nice lid and comes with a spoon and a honey whisk. Get your our fresh homemade sourdough, a little bit of butter. See the cool lid right here? It has this rib design. It's on the smaller side, but it comes with this cool glass spoon. If you just want a dab of honey, little green on it, little end. And my favorite part comes with this honey whisk right here. Check this out. It's very fun and satisfying. That cool comb. Move it here, drizzle some honey down. Much better than using a spoon or the like. Gives you a little satisfaction and evenly distributes it. Very cool, and you can see it has the little shapes in there. It's just all full of honey. Makes for a nice little morning snack. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.